I am so excited for people to see our latest video.
I know, I think we've really outdone ourselves this time.
Hang on, YouTube isn't letting me log in. It's saying the password isn't correct.
Let me try. You're right, it's not working. Did you change the password?
No. Oh, look, we got an email.
It's from welcometothefuture@gmail.com.
Erica, we've been hacked.
This can't be happening. How could someone have stolen our password?
I don't know, but if we don't get it back, then we won't be able to upload any more YouTube videos. Our channel will be over.
Well, should we follow the instructions in the email?
If you want to recover your password, come to the Koala Go playground and check out the future of teaching.
Koala Go?
It looks like an online teaching platform.
Koalas are pretty stinking cute.
True. But they're less cute when they steal your passwords.
Come on, let's try it out.
There, click the link that says Breathe English, click here.
All right, here goes nothing.
Whoa! It's me!
And me! Why do these little figures look like us?
They're our avatars. They represent us in the game.
Look, I can change my appearance. How would I look with blue hair?
Whoa. This is crazy. We're in a video game. How can a video game be related to teaching?
I don't know, but look what I can do.
How are you moving around?
I use the arrow keys to move, or I can use the mouse and click, and I can jump with the space bar.
Dagnabbit, I can't get the hang of this.
Use the up arrow to move forward.
Oh, there we go. Huh, what does this I button do? Whoa, it changes the view. Now I see what my avatar sees.
What is this place? And why is it so empty?
I think this is called a sandbox environment where players can create and interact freely. Check it out. I can draw wherever I want.
Look, I made a stairway to heaven. Space bar, space bar.
Wait, Erica, we don't know how many lives we have. If you fall off, it could mean game over.
Oops.
I guess we have infinite lives. But how are we supposed to get our password back?
Sam, did you build that wall?
What? No. Whoa.
Cool.
Erica and Sam, can you imagine interacting with and teaching your students in this Koala Go playground?
Honestly, yeah.
Are you ready to see more? Click and drag your answer to the box. This is a little creepy.
But also kind of fun.
All right, let's see what else this Koala Go place has to show us. Bring it on.
Whoa, you opened the door. Should we go through?
Let's go.
Whoa, what happened?
It looks like we've accessed a new level.
I'm trapped in this tiny room.
Calm down. If this is like most video games, there's probably a puzzle we need to solve to move forward. Look around.
Oh, look, over there. As a player, you have your avatar. But what do you call the video game characters that are controlled by the game?
Ooh, we have to spell the answer in these boxes.
Only 3 letters. VGP? Video game person?
I think I know this one. NPC. Non-player character.
But the door didn't open.
But the chest did.
Whoa.
What do we do with this little NPC?
The missing piece of the puzzle. Nailed it!
Nice job.
Ooh.
Erica, have you noticed that we're underwater?
I have, and there's no lag or slowing down at all. The gameplay is so smooth.
You're starting to sound like a real gamer.
Thank you.
Looks like we have another puzzle to crack to open the next door.
A blank is a mission in a video game, like a goal you have to complete. A quest.
How did you know that?
I like history. Knights went on quests in olden times, too.
Sweet! I'm going to go through the door.
Sam, I don't want to state the obvious here, but it does say jump.
Oh, yeah, I was just about to try that.
Wow, look at that beautiful sunset. I feel like I'm on vacation.
I think we just passed a save point. That means if our avatar dies in the game, we'll restart from this point.
Sam, look at the cacti. Ooh.
Oh, wow, they're so big. Another puzzle.
Oh, Chrome is what I use to browse, aka casually look at the internet. So I'm guessing that is a browser. Ah, got it.
PlayStation is a popular gaming console, aka a device used to run a video game.
Koala Go is the platform we're using now, and it's accessible within a normal browser.
Ah, nice! That was cool, like a mini quiz.
Yeah, it's almost like we're learning stuff inside the game.
Okay. Video games can be used to teach. And now we have to pass through this giant cactus?
I guess so.
All right, let's do it together. 3, 2, 1.
OMG, we're on a roof.
Do you think this is the boss level?
What are you talking about?
The boss is a challenging character that you have to defeat.
This place is too pretty to be a boss level. It feels like we've already won.
I was thinking, I have some students that would be thrilled to spend part of our lessons in this playground. I could quiz them on things, we could draw together or play games.
Can you imagine teaching parts of a house by actually building a house together?
The student could be in charge, giving the teacher instructions on what to do. That way they really get to use the language.
Well done, teachers! You've recognized the potential of an interactive, game-like platform for online learning.
That must be our hacker.
Sorry I stole your password. I just wanted to show you the possibilities of Koala Go.
And we're thankful you did. Can we use Koala Go to teach our classes now?
Of course! You can sign up for free or upgrade to a pro account for lots more benefits. Click on the link in the upper right corner of the video to learn more, or check in the description. Ready to go back to the real world?
If we have to. Ooh, I'm gonna build a jungle palace.
I want to create an alien bubblegum world.
Hey, I get to go first.
But my alien bubblegum world.
It's my house.
I'm the guest.
Sam, would you like to prepare a playground on Koala Go first?
Please, Erica, go ahead and create your playground.